welcome back to our channel. Today, let's do some science. So in science, we are going to be making homemade Play-Doh. So for this recipe, you are going to need 8 tablespoons of flour, 2 tablespoons of salt, 6 milliliters of warm water, and 1 tablespoon of oil.
You're going to need some food coloring, and you can pick any color you want, but we're going to use these colors: yellow, red, and pink.
So let's get started. Okay, so first you are going to put the flour into your bowl, and then you want to put how would you put a salt in?
Oh.
Okay. Then you are going to put the your warm water. I'm going to put it in here. And then you are going to put 1 tablespoon of oil. Okay, I'm going to use this bowl.
No.
Okay. 1 tablespoon. So put it in the water. Yeah. I'll do the same thing. I'm going to put it on top of this so it doesn't spill.
You don't.
Okay, wait. This is getting my hands shaking. And then you are going to put your food coloring. I'm going to choose
All of them.
So we have this pink, red, and yellow.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to do yellow.
They're all good colors.
Where should I do pink? I'm going to choose the yellow, I think.
I'm going to choose. They're
Okay,
so
shake well
good
before you
colors.
use.
I'm just going to use. I wanted to use yellow, but
You can both use it. Okay, I'm just going to put drops, but this is open, so I'm going to put it in the lid.
I'm going to use this one.
Okay, so
What's this one again? What's this one?
pink. Let me see.
This one.
Oh, that's red. Okay, I put my drops of yellow. And then I'm going to
How do you open this? How many drops?
I just put it in the lid. Yeah, then you want to mix it up. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay, I think that's it.
Eee, got some on my hands.
Okay.
I'm going to get some tissue.
Then you're going to pour it in your flour. So I'm going to pour it inside. This looks like good. And you're going to mix it. Yellow. I don't know if I should add more flour. Okay.
Have you mixed it?
Yeah, I mixed it. Just keep going.
This is actually red, I think.
That your Play-Doh is too sticky, then you can add some flour throughout your kneading. This is what mine looks like. I could have added more yellow, but it's fine.
This is how mine looks like. It's very pinky.
I want to carve the hole. Okay, so
So, guys,
I'm going to flat it out like that.
So you first you would like to do like this kind of shape.
Put the shape.
Yeah.
Lift it up. Ta-da! It's a nice heart.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do mine, but this time I'm gonna do like.
I'm going to do the fishy.
It's better. Okay. Gently stop.
Okay,
Gently
I'm
take
fishy.
you off.
Okay. I'm gonna mold that.
See guys, look.
Okay.
Now look, I'm making holes everywhere.
Okay, hopefully this one comes out better than Kiara's. Ooh. Oh wait, no, that one's stuck.
I'm gonna place it harder inside, guys. This is how mine looks, guys. Flour.
That's it for today. If you want to keep your Play-Doh fresh and soft like this, then keep it in a freezer bag and put it in the fridge. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Bye!